A review for you today on the Home Digital Convection Toaster Oven. So come on over here. I'm going to be making a piece of toast. I put 2 pieces in. Kind of see it all in detail. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn the function switch to toast. And down here, I'm going to adjust if I want light, medium, dark. I'm going to go with that. Well, maybe there for now. And then I have to decide how many. I have 2 pieces in there. So I'm going to take it down to 2. And I'm going to hit start. So it looks like it'll take 3 minutes. I'm going to let that cook, and I'll be back to see what it looks like. Alright, I'm back. The toast is done. Let's take it out and see what we're looking at here. Check that out. Looks pretty good to me.